You're going to write it. Only small letters from A to H. Okay?
Even
First,
once again, Rasita ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Parents, please monitor whether they are writing the correct alphabet. If the teacher is telling F, the child is writing the same F, or they are writing another letter also. You just monitor and make a note of it in the side and send it in the WhatsApp group to Rasita ma'am. If she is not
Okay.
identifying F, she is not identifying H, like that, you just make a note of it.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, okay, yes. If you face struggle still, you can let me know. Okay, yes. So, yes, the first letter you're gonna write is letters E. Only small letters, dear, not the capital letters. Letter E. Good morning, Nithwin. So take any of your notebook, rough note or slate is fine. Write small letter E. Very good. You don't need to show for every letter. Keep it ready. Once all the letter done, you can show it to me, everybody. Okay, dears? First E. We'll give some time for others to write. E. Small letter E. Hope you will remember it. Sleeping line, under curve. Small letter E. Next is small letter A. How will you write small letter A? Think, and then write. How will you write small letter A? Small letter A. I think many of you have completed, right? So, okay. We'll go to the next letter then. Next is small letter D. D. Da. D. D. What curve will come for D? C pattern or right curve will come for D, right? For small letter D. Small letter. And lengthy standing line and one curve. Hope you will remember. Do not get confused with B and D. Okay. Next, last letter. Last letter. G. 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 Small letter G. 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 How will you write small letter G? Put A kind of stuff. After that, continue the standing line with the up curve. Hope you will remember it. Yes? Completed? Yes. Please wait, yes. Very good, Sai Shivanya. So yes, now may I have a look at it? Superb, Hiteshri. Very good. Very good, Netherland. Yes. Very good, yes, Nithwin. Very good, Pranav, super dear. Very good, Manasa. Very good, Sishant. I will be giving you star, everybody. Sai Priyan, very good. Where is one more letter, dear? I cannot see E. Where is it? Sai Priyan?
எழுதலன்னு சொல்லணும்
எழுதலையா? Okay. E practice பண்ணுங்க then. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Jacinta. Hitesh Prisha. Show me, dear. Yes, ma'am. Can you show it little closer to the camera? Yes. Fine. Very good. I hope then you all have completed it, right? Super. Still, take a picture of it and share it to me. Do not forget it, okay? So I will recheck it again, okay? So we'll start our prayer now. Everybody stand up. What is the posture for our Kidzi anthem? Come on. Everybody has to stand and keep their right hand over their left chest. Hope you all are ready. Right hand to the left chest. Not keep it like this, children. The actually you have to stand like this. Okay. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning. Why am I giving pause in between every line is you have to repeat it in your word, okay? Okay, in the same energy, we'll complete our warm-up activity too. Ready?
Warm up ranges fine. Friends, stop.
Everybody stand up. Jog.
இப்படி வந்தாலே நம்ம இங்கதான் இருக்கணும்.
Santosh, come on. Stand up, everybody. Vidulan.
ஸ்டவ் ஓபன் பண்ணிருப்பா. இங்க கேமராக்குள்ள வந்தாதான் தெரியும். நீ பாருங்க பண்ணா தெரியாது. இப்ப அங்க எப்படி செய்றாங்க சரி.
One.
கேமரா ஆன்ல இருக்கு இங்க வாம கூட பண்ண முடியலடா.
Mute yourself and do it. What happens, Disha? Come on. Jog. Jump. Jump, everybody. Yes. Relax, sit down. How to relax? Go. Drink a glass of water and come back. Yes. So you all ready for your attendance? Answer for your attendance. Sai Shivanya. Yeah. Santosh. Very good. Pranav. Very good. Arya. Very good. Sai Priyan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Manasa. Jacinta,
Here I am, ma'am.
Prisha,
Here I am, ma'am.
very good. Sishan,
Here I am, ma'am.
very good. Hiteshri,
Here I am, ma'am.
very good. Nidulan,
சொல்லுங்க சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
yeah, yeah. Rutvik,
Here I am. Don't cry and say.
come on, dear. Do not cry. Okay, no problem. Relax, cool down. Nithwin,
Hi, ma'am.
very good. Then all present for today. Superb. So today, what day is today, children? Whom shall I ask? Arya. What day is today, Arya?
Arya, what day is it today?
98.
That is date.
Day, dear, day. Sunday, Monday is there, no? Likewise, what day is today?
August.
Oh dear. See, yesterday was holiday, then it was Sunday. So what comes next day after Sunday?
Sunday, Kappa, Monday.
Yes, that is today. Okay. Yesterday was holiday, Sunday, and today is Monday, working day. Okay. So next, Jacinta, what day will be tomorrow?
Tuesday.
Very good, nice. Yes, Nithwin, what day was yesterday? Nithwin, what day was yesterday?
Sunday. Hi, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Sunday.
Hello, what day was yesterday? Sunday, very good. Superb. Santosh, Santosh, how many days are there in a week, Santosh? Santosh, come to your place, Santosh. Okay. So, Pranav, how many days are there in a week, Pranav? Very good. 7. Cyprian, what is today's date, Cyprian? What is today's date?
Ma'am.
Super. Sishant, what is our current month? What month is this?
August 24th.
Yeah, very good. August. Super. Hiteshri, what is the current year, Hiteshri?
Ma'am, can you ask one more time, ma'am?
Excuse me. Yes. What is the current year? What year is this?
Year now? 20. 2021.
2021.
See, what you forgot the year. Every day we are learning. See, this will never change until December comes. Do not forget. Year means 2021. Okay, for now.
2021.
There will not be any change. Okay, 2021. Very good. Prisha, how many months are there in a year?
21.
Right. How many months? 12 months. Very good. Super. Nidulan, what day is today, Nidulan? What day? Day, not date. Monday. Sai Shivanya, what day was yesterday?
Yesterday என்ன டேமா?
Sunday. Very good. Manasa, what day will be tomorrow? Santosh, please be on mute here.
Yeah, sorry, ma'am.
Tuesday.
Very good. Tuesday. Super. Then we all come to know what day is today, right? So let's start our things. We'll start with the English literacy. What was the last letter we have completed? What was the last small letter? Can you all remember? Yeah, small letter H. So do one thing. Take a rough note or slate. Write small letter H for one time and show it to me now. Let's see whether you can remember how to write small letter H or not. H, small letter H. How will you write small letter H? One standing line. Write it first, and finally you can check with mine. See, one standing line, stop. Then from the point where you stop, put one down curve. The sides of the down curve should touch, one sides of the down curve should touch the standing line. That's how you can write your small letter H. Write it, small letter H, and show it to me. Have you all completed? Ah, very good, Nithwin. Super, dear. Done? Very good. Super, Jacinta. Super, Hiteshri. Yes, Prisha, done. Very. Yes, Sai Shivanya. Very good. Super, Prisha. Yes. Very good. I think you all have done it. No? Next letter. Now tell me what comes next to H. A, then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Small letter I. Very good. Let's learn how to write small letter I first. Then we will do in the worksheet. Small letter I is so easy, man. Put a small standing line, dear. Small standing line with a small tilde if you can. Otherwise, small standing line is enough. Small standing line. Then give some space and put a dot, darker dot over that line. So you will be getting your small letter I. So I'll tell you how to write this in your 4 lines. 1 minute. Consider this as your 4 line. Okay. So now I will tell you how to write it. So put the standing line in between the second and third line only. Smaller standing line. And one dot over it. On the top of it or over it. But the dot has to be a bit darker. Otherwise, you may tell it as number 1. So this is how you can write your small letter I. What is this? What is this, children? What letter is this? I. Small letter I. Very good. Hope you will remember the capital letter I also. You will start the standing line from the first line to third line. Then you will put 2 sleeping lines, I guess. You will remember it. Okay? Yes. Now we will write this in our worksheet. Tell the worksheet number, please wait. Day 30 L worksheet. LT. Day 30 LT worksheet. Day 30 LT worksheet. Trace the letter with your index finger. First, 1 standing line and 1 dot over the standing line or the top of the standing line. Ma'am just taught you, right? Come on, let's write this in the space given for it. I for insect. B is one of the insect, right? So I for insect. Now we'll write I here. Start writing I here in the space given for it, and ma'am will also write. Day 30 LT worksheet. I. One small standing line, one dot over it. One dot on top of the standing line. One standing line, one dot over the one dot, thicker dot over that standing line. One standing line, small standing line, that too, and one dot. One standing line and one dot. Yes, ma'am, I've completed. Ma'am is going to fill the date. Nine dot 8 dot 20 21. Finish?
Yes,
Who has completed?
Santosh.
Very good, Saishanya. Very good. Very good, Shishant. Who else has completed?
Santosh.
Santosh has completed. Very good. Wow. Super. Nidulan, very good. Super, Manasa. Super, Jacinta. The next I page will be your homework. Okay? The capital and small letter I will be there. No, the next I page will be your homework in the same book. Okay? Day 30 LT worksheet. Rutvik, are you writing, dear? Ma'am, is he writing?
Yes, ma'am, he's right. Sure to you, ma'am.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes.
Completed. Sure to you, ma'am.
Sure. Very good, Pranav. Superb. Very good, Rutvik. Super. We started writing. Very good, Nitwin. Very good, dear. Very good, Prisha. Superb. Hiteshri done, dear. Hiteshri and Arya.
Ma'am, she's done, ma'am. She's writing the date.
Okay. Yes. Very good, Hiteshri. What's that? Thumbs up. So done, Arya? Done with your date? Jacinta also, I think she's writing her date. Right? Jacinta, have you completed?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Then you have to tell me, right, that you have finished. Until then, I won't know that you have completed. So okay, I think you all have completed. Now let's move on to the next one. Next is MT, max. Okay, next is max. So we have completed. We learned I. Okay, do complete the homework page and show it to me. I mean, send it to us. So I'll correct it. Okay. Next is max. In max, we're gonna recap or we'll do the before and after concept. Okay, for the numbers from 11 to 20. So already we have done the before and after for number 1 to 10, right? Today we are going to do the before and after for number 11 to 20. So do one thing, take your slates or rough note, write from number 11 to 20 first. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Write it, then we'll do it. Okay, then we'll work on that worksheet. So I will write over here so that it will be easier for me to write it.
Ma'am, can you repeat
11.
the worksheet number, ma'am?
Ma'am, no. I asked them to write from 11 to 20 in their rough note or the slate. I haven't
Okay,
said
fine.
the
Okay.
worksheet number still.
Put 1, 1, 11. Put, ma'am.
Please be on mute, everybody, and then do it. Okay?
Miss முதல்ல
Everybody, I
rough
want
note
everybody to
எழுத
be on mute.
சொன்னாங்க. எழுது. அப்புறமா நோட்ல எழுதுவோம் என்ன ரஃப் நோட்ல
1, 3, 13.
இதுல ஆக்டிவிட்டில இல்ல
1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. Please be on mute, everybody. Santosh dear, please be on mute, dear.
I'm on
15.
mute only, ma'am.
But I can hear you, ma'am.
I was in mute only.
Okay. Then who else is not there in mute? Please be on mute. Okay. 15, 16, 17, 18, 1, 8. Yes. Yeah.
எழுது. Miss
Finish? So please wait until I finish. Dear. I have not completed. Yes, Santosh?
எதுல in which note we have tried is asking whether in worksheet or
Any note, any rough note or the slate. You can better,
Note
if
or
you,
slate.
if you're okay to write in slate, you can write it. Okay. 18, 19. Let me complete theirs. 19 and 20. Yeah, you two completed. Manasa, even I have completed. How about others? 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Very good. Those who have completed, very good. Now let's start working in this worksheet. Everybody take your worksheet number day 27 empty worksheet. Day 27 empty worksheet. Day 27. Those who have completed, please take your day 27 empty worksheet. Day 27. So already we know how to find the before and after number, right? So yes, let's do it now. Come on. First one, take the first one. Here, this set. So 11 is there, 1, 1, 11. 1 to 12 is there. Manasa, what comes next, dear?
11, 12, apro.
Yes, 11 is there, 12 is there. After 12, 13 is here. So fill number 13 here. Okay? Yes. Next is Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya?
Yes, ma'am. Chalo. Chalo, ma'am. You concentrate here first.
Dear, take this set, this pink color egg set. What comes before 11? See, the before number is empty here. After that, 11, 12 is there. What comes before 11?
11 முன்னாடி before 11.
1 2 3 சொல்லி பாருங்க.
Come on.
11 முன்னாடி என்ன வருது?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So after 10, what comes?
10 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 11.
11. Right? So but what is coming before 11 is 10. Okay? Yes.
Well,
So fill 10 here. So one number in each box. Next, Arya. Arya, take this yellow color set. So check your number sequence from 11 to 20, dear. So 15 is here.
Ma'am, can you please tell me worksheet number, ma'am?
27, D27 MT. D27 MT.
ma'am.
இப்ப நீ இது சொல்லணும் 15 16 what comes next
17.
Very good. Yeah, super dear. 17, very good, very nice. Next is Jacinta. Take this blue color set. See, 15 is there, 16 is there, but one is not, one box is empty here. What comes here? What comes before 15?
What comes
Check
before
your
15?
notebook.
The notebook per before 15.
What is coming before to 15?
16.
Before
4.
Before 9, munadi. So what comes before?
4 அது
1 4 is what?
என்னது 15 16 இருக்குமா 15 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர்
See,
சத்தமா சொல்லு
40.
very good. That's it. 1 4 14. That is why I asked you people to write in this note. Write in your note. Number from 11 to 20. Okay. Next is pronoun. So purple color set is for you. Number 18 is here. Number 19 is here. What comes next? Innadama? 18, 19, what will come next? 20 is what? 20 என்னது? 20 என்னது? என்ன number? What number is that? 20? See, like 1 8 18, 1 9 19. அப்போ 20? 20. Very good. அது இவ்ளோ நேரம் யோசிக்கலுமா? 20 20. Okay. Next is Seshanth. Seshanth, take the last set, dear. So here in this set, first box is empty. 9, 18 and 19 is there. What comes before 18? Check your notebook.
சொல்லுங்க என்ன வருது இது என்ன நம்பர்
1 minute. Those who have completed, please wait.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு சாமி கம்ப்ளீட்டட் இல்ல 18 முன்னாடி நீ என்ன நம்பர் போட்டுருக்க அது மேம்ட்ட சொல்லு
17.
Yes, 17 comes here. Very good. Super. If completed also, very good. So do fill your date also. 9.8.
சர்க்கிள் போல அது புக் அப்படி
2021.
இதோ முடிச்சாச்சு
Okay. Yes. So have you all completed?
எஸ் மேம் சொல்லுங்க
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Sai Priyan. Yes, very good, Nithvin. Super, dear. Where are you, Nithvin? But so very good, very good, Nidulan. How about others? Have you all completed?
Santosh completed sollu.
Something, ma'am.
So I'm wondering, Santosh. Super. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Very good, Pranav. Very good, Manasa. Super. Big claps for those who have completed. Very good, Arya. Yes? Prisha done, dear?
Say.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Very good, Prisha. Very good, Shishan. Super, super, super. Oh, for a long time we are writing, no? Now let's have a small fun. That too in the worksheet only. Let's have a small fun. I'll tell you.
Magic பண்ணாத தருவேன். Good girl ஆ தருவேன் ஒண்ணா. ஓகேவா?
Prisha is a good girl already. Please be on mute, everybody. Take D30, that is day 30 CT worksheet. Day 30 CT worksheet. Here is a fun. You're not going to write, you're just going to circle. D30, D30 CT worksheet. D30 CT worksheet. Hope you all have taken. What are we going to do with this worksheet is we are going to, you have two images, right? Two pictures, 1 and 2, one at the top, one at the bottom. So there are some differences. You are going to spot it. What is missing in the second picture? Look at both. No, what is missing? You people tell me. I could not find.
Ball.
What is not there? Very good. Ball in there. Ball in there. What else is not there?
Window.
Ah, rings are also not there. What else?
Window.
Yes. Rings illa. See. Balls illa. No balls are here. No rings are here. So one more thing is also, two more things are not also not there. You'll find what are there.
Window.
Huh? And the hole illa. Inge, right in the green color one. So it is not here, right? What else? One more is there.
Pencil.
Sorry, two more is there. Sorry.
And the
See,
window.
yes, can you all see? Window is not here. One of the window door is not here. And one last thing is, see the dashes over this side, no? Which is there in the top image, and here it is not there. So how many differences we have found? Count, no? How many times did ma'am circled it? Count and tell me how many differences? Yes. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many differences we have found is 5 differences. Super, dears. Super. Okay, now we'll do the road counting. Everybody, what you have to do for road counting? Jump. Once done, be ready. Once found your differences and all, be ready, stand up. Let's do jumping for road count. Are you all ready? We know till number 20 already, right? We are going to learn from 21 to 30. Please listen carefully also and do jumping too. Wait, Jacinta ready, Prisha ready, Pranav ready, Nidwin. Yes, what is your name? 1 minute here. Nithwin is also ready. Nithwin. Yes, I think you all are ready, right? Come on. I'm going to count from number 1 to 30. So till then you're going to jump only. Okay? You are going to do jump for 30 times. I am going to count the numbers. Okay? Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So till here we know, right? Here, please concentrate. 21. Jump and concentrate. Yes, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One more time. From 21 to 30 alone. Not from the 1. From 21 to 30 alone. Okay, ready? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Super. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Everybody sit down. See, have you all noticed? 21. Number 21 comes after number 20. After 20, see. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So after 20, 21 will come. 21, 22. You are going to add 20 to number from 1 to 9. Okay? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay? Are you all ready to listen to the phonic rhyme? Yes? Ready? Yes, here. Here, ma'am, please.
With Byju's app,
One
you will
sec.
remember the concepts forever.
Everybody sit down and do the actions.
Learning made interactive and engaging
1 minute.
with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
Started. Letter A.
Waterman.
Yes, yes. Who wants water can drink. B. Letter B.
Bring your badge and bring your ball.
B.
Bring your badge and bring your ball.
To the party play. C. Letter C.
We are
Clicking castanets. Ka, ka, ka.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Ka, ka, ka. D. Letter D. See me play on my drums.
Playing drums is lots of fun with a
Da, 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 da.
See me play upon my drum.
E. Letter E. X in the van. X in the van. I want everybody to do the actions.
Crack the egg like this.
Tishri, Cyprian, and do the actions, dear.
My friends
Yep.
and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the egg came out.
Next is G. Water gurgles.
Water gurgles on the drain.
Water gurgles on the train. Water gurgles on the train with the gug, 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 gug. H. Come on, everybody, hop.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop,
Very good, Arya.
up and down.
I. Letter I. Inky the mouse is my pet.
She's
J, letter J. Come on. Ja, 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 ja. K, letter K.
Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky.
L.
We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops.
With the lollipops. Yum.
Mom and the dad make many meals.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mom and the dad make many meals.
To the hungry children. N. Letter N. Hear the aeroplane. Mmm.
Hear the airplane.
Mmm.
Hear the airplane.
Mmm.
Making lots of noise.
O. Now it's dark, the lights goes off. Oh, 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 oh.
Time for bed, the lights go off.
Oh, 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 oh. P, letter P. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake.
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
R, letter R.
See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
S, letter S.
The snake is in the grass.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. T. When I watch the tennis game, chip, 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 chip.
When I watch the tennis game, my
Head goes back and forth. U. Agomlas. Agomlas.
I'll go rest when it starts to rain.
V, letter V.
Try pigs that round the village. Try pigs that round the village. Try pigs that round the village.
Woo. W.
I see the clouds moving.
Wow, wow, wow.
I see the kites flying.
Wow, wow, wow.
I see the trees bending.
Wow, wow, wow.
The wind is blowing strong.
X.
Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand.
Y, letter Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas.
Yeah. Z, Arzi.
Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Like this.
Okay, I think you all got referenced. Okay, now it's a concept time. Can you all remember types of plants we were learning, right? Types of plants. What are all the types of plants we have completed so far? Trees. will be more taller. Shrubs. Next taller.
Sure, we can do it.
Yes, shrubs. And the third one is herbs. Shorter than the shrubs, right? The tree will be having the trunk in brown color, and the shrubs stem will also be in brown color and will be having multiple branches. Okay, and the smaller one, herbs. No, herbs will have green color stem only, but it will have very less span. Less span. It will be alive only for very some days. Okay, we'll continue now. We have 3 more types of plants. Now we'll play the video. So we'll recap and we'll learn the next things also. Yes, here.
Types of plants. We see many types of plants. These are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, while some are small. Primarily, there are 5 types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers.
From these trees, shrubs, and herbs we have completed. Next, climbers and creepers we have to learn newly, but still we'll do the recap of these 3.
Tree. Big and strong plants are called trees.
Trees. Big plants.
Trees are the largest and oldest living thing on earth. They have roots, branches, leaves, and a hard woody stem called trunk, such as apple tree and banyan tree. However, few big trees do not have branches.
Yes, some of the trees are also there which are not having the branches. These are the example for the coconut tree and palm tree will not have the branches. They will be having only the lengthy trunk. No branches for it.
Such as coconut tree and palm tree. Shrubs.
Shrubs.
Shrubs are medium-sized plants and are smaller than trees.
I said no, shrubs will be smaller than trees. Smaller than trees. Next level.
Shrubs have small, thin and woody branches that grow close to the ground. Examples of shrub are jasmine and lemon.
Herbs.
Herbs are very small plants. They are smaller than shrubs.
As first is trees, next taller will be shrubs. After that, the third taller, that is, the herbs will be smaller, shorter than the shrubs.
Herbs have a green, thin and soft stem that can easily be bended. They usually do not grow more than 1 meter in height and have a short lifespan.
Short lifespan.
Dried herbs are also used to add flavor to food and is used in medicines as well. Examples of herbs are tomato
and carrot,
spinach and mint. Creeper.
So now new things. Listen, what is creeper?
Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground by extending its branches. They have thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spreads on the ground.
Yes, creepers are something will be having very soft stem. Very soft stem and will grow around the ground only. Will grow around the ground only. Okay, will not grow taller. Will grow only over the ground, and that too because the fruits of the creepers will be heavier. The fruits of the creepers will be heavier because of the weight. Because of the weight of that fruit, the creepers cannot grow even if you give the support. They will grow only over the ground. Creepers. Creepers are such plants will be having heavier fruits so that it will grow only over the ground. கொடி சொல்வாங்கல்ல, கொடி வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல tendrils. இந்த spiral ones are there, no, they are called tendrils.
The example of creeper are pumpkin and
watermelon. Have you noticed? Pumpkin and watermelon. Both are bigger fruit, right? You cannot take it by one as a hand, right? So in your hand as a one. So because the weight is higher, these fruits are heavier. So because of that only those plants are growing around the ground only. Because of the weight of that fruits. Climbers.
Climbers are plants with thin and weak stem. They cannot stand upright and rapidly climb up a neighboring support like a fence, wall, or other plant.
See, what is here is climbers are the same type of plants like creepers. But one thing is here, heavier fruit will not be there. Heavier fruit will not be there. So that if you give a support like stick, it will hold it. It will hold the stick and grow along to the support. But creepers will be having heavier fruits like watermelon. Think about watermelon, how big and heavier it will be. So that even if you give support, it will not grow straight. It will grow only around the ground. But coming to the climbers will not be having the heavier fruit. So if you give a support like a stick, it will grow heavier. Example, money plant. Have you all seen the money plant? Money plant? Yes or no, children? Have you all seen the money plant? Yes. So how it is growing? If you give a support like stick or if you give a rope support, it holds that thing and grow forward like straight. But creepers, example, the watermelon and the pumpkin trees, plants and all will not grow straighter. It will grow only around the ground because of the weight of that fruit.
The tendrils in plant wind themselves around any object and help the plant to climb up. Common climbers include bitter gourd and grapevine.
So even some of you may not see the bitter gourd. You can keep money plant as an example. Money plant and the grapevine. Both will be having tendrils, will be having very lighter fruit so that if you give a support, it can grow straight, okay, along with the support. So one more time from the creepers we'll see.
Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground by extending its branches. They have thin, long and weak stem which cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. The example of creeper are pumpkin and watermelon. Climbers. Climbers are plants with thin and weak stem. They cannot stand upright and rapidly climb up a neighboring support like a fence, wall, or other plants. The tendrils in plant wind themselves around any object and help the plant to climb up. Common climbers include bitter gourd and grapevine.
Okay, so two types of plants we had learned. One more I will tell. Some of the plants may have thorns in it. Thorn. If you have noticed the rose plant. If you have rose plant in your garden, go and check. You will be having thorns in it. You cannot simply go and touch. You have to notice where the thorns are not there, then you can touch it. So such plants are called thorny plants. Last worksheet, we'll finish this and we'll go. Okay, come on. You're just going to circle it. I'll tell you which worksheet is that. Worksheet day 29, that is D29 CT worksheet. D29 and CT worksheet. D29 CT worksheet. First one given here is a thorny plant. Just said no ma'am, thorny plants. Thorny plants is nothing but the plant will be having thorns in its stem. Thorn. முள்ளு முள்ளா இருக்கும் dear. முள்ளு இருக்கும். சரிங்களா? நீங்க just like that you cannot go and pick it up. Like aloe vera செடி notice பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா, cactus செடி notice பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா, you can see the thorns in it. Those plants are called thorny plants. The ultimate example is a rose plant. Rose plant. So first is thorny plant. What are you going to do is look at the first plant in each row, circle the same plant in that row. So here we have rose plant, that is thorny plant. So here where it is? Here, thorny plant. So you circle it. Okay. Next is, what plant is this, children? What type of plant is this? I'll not tell the name of type of the plant. You tell me what it is. See, watermelons are there. Then it is, what is this? Sai Shivanya? What type of plant is this? Cannot grow straight. Yes, creeper dear. It's not climber. It's creeper.
Second.
Okay, creeper.
Creeper. Watermelon plant.
Creeper and climber. ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, creeperல பெரிய பெரிய fruits வரும்டா. பெரிய பெரிய fruits ஓட weight அதிகமா இருக்கும்ல, அதனால அது மேல ஏறவே முடியாது. ஓகே, ஆனா climbers lighter weight கம்மியா இருக்க fruits வரும். சோ அது stick வச்சா புடிச்சிட்டு மேல ஏறும். ஓகே, சோ creep. Yes, very good. Creeper எங்க இருக்கீங்க?
எத்தனாவது?
Third one. Yes. So one is the watermelon plant. You can circle the watermelon plant. Very good. Prisha, what type of plant is this? This plant is also having tendrils, but as you given the support to it, it's growing along it. What type of plant is this, Prisha? Climber. Exactly. Climber will not be having very heavier fruit. ரொம்ப weight இருக்க fruits எல்லாம் இருக்காது. சோ அதனால ஈஸியா நீங்க ஸ்டிக்கோ இல்ல செவுத்துக்கு பக்கத்துல வச்சாலும் அது அப்படியே புடிச்சிட்டு மேலே ஏறிடும். ஓகேவா? So where is the climber in this row? The first one.
The first one.
Do circle it. Okay, three types of plant today extra we had learned: thorny plants and thorny, creeper and climber plants. Three type of plants we had learned. Okay, yes. So once done, please fill the date, snap your works and share it to us. Okay, share it to me. That's it, dears. That's it for today. Do explore these types of plants around your home if you found somewhere. Okay, you